Picture this. It's March 2023 and you have invested 50k in a random coin. Just for simplicity, let's call it CVA. More than 2 years have gone by, you check your phone and the value is exactly the same. During these 2 years, you have seen your portfolio go up and down. The problem is, if you were to sell everything right now, it's most likely on the red. And you wonder, for how much longer do I have to wait and actually see a positive ROI? Believe me, I have been exactly in the same position you are right now. In fact, I invested $5,000 of my own money into this cryptocurrency, and now after 8 months, the balance is sitting at $3,000. That is $2,000 in net loss, 8 months wasted, and the worst part of it is that this didn't make any passive income, it was time and energy wasted. But if you want to change this, if you are exhausted of holding crypto, waiting for prices to go up just so you can make some money, but you want something that consistently makes you 10 to 20% a month without hoping for crypto to go up, without timing the market, let me show you how I'm using this system to make on average 16% every single month. And just before I show you the system, if you want me and my team manage everything done for you and guarantee you a 5% every single month or you don't pay, then check the first link in the description. That being said, let's get back to the video. But first, let me share what the system is about and how it works. And just so you know, this is not a brand new system. Actually, it's an old system. It's called a grid trading system. But the difference is that we will have a systematic approach where you will have the access to the cryptocurrency, the settings of the bot, and an exit confirmation. Let me break this down. So a grid trading system is where the bot is going to place buy orders when a cryptocurrency goes down and then sell orders when it goes up. This is going to allow you to be in a profit even if the cryptocurrency remains at the same market price, or say even the cryptocurrency goes down, it's still going to be able to place sell orders here. So the bot will be able to mitigate the loss and keep you on a profit. And using this 3-step systematic approach that I'm about to show you, in the month of September, I have managed to make 10% or $9,132 in net profit. That means profit that I withdraw. Actually, on September 18, I withdraw $9,450 and then the account got reset back to 90,000. So the very first step you have to do is actually finding a cryptocurrency that has the volatility, but also has the foundation. And the best way to do that is by coming to CoinMarketCap, and you want to search for a coin that has at least 1 billion in market cap, but also has been trading for more than 5 years, because we need to have predictability. We need to ensure that the cryptocurrency, if it was to go down, it can also recover. Now, keep in mind, we're not looking for a cryptocurrency to go above our entry price. We're looking for something that goes down and goes up within the same range. For example, recently I had this coin running for about 13 days and it made a 2.11%. Now, this bot had invested $21,828 and it made about $400. But the cool part is, as you can see, the bot was placing buy orders when the cryptocurrency went down and sell orders when it went up. It's super simple, yet it is effective as long as you have access to these 3 steps that I'm about to show you right now. So that is the very first thing. Find a cryptocurrency that has volatility, that has been moving sideways for years, and that has a good foundation. Some examples of these coins can be AVAX. For example, if we go to AVAX, you will see that this coin has been trading up and down since December 2023. Now, if you bought AVAX back in February 2024 at $39, more than 1 year later, almost 2 years, this coin, you would still be on the red. But notice how the only thing that is going on is that AVAX is going up and down. So check this out. This is 2024. So we have seen AVAX go down and we have seen AVAX go up. So instead of you just trying to time the market, if you're exhausted of holding crypto, if you see your portfolio go nowhere, maybe you see your portfolio go up 20% 1 month. You believe it's still going to go up, just so next month you lose that 20% and potentially even more than that. You're in a worse position that you started with. So this system will completely eliminate that. It will help you make cash flow just by using the volatility of the market without trying to time the market or expecting cryptocurrency to go up. So yeah, coming back to this example, AVAX is a good coin to set up a bot like this one because it has been going up and down for a couple of years now. Now, how do you actually set it up? Well, let me go to my demo account and show you how you can use, how you can take advantage of this system. First, we're going to be using Bitscap. That is the trading platform we're using for now. We're actually building our own trading platform and we'll talk about it more later. But for now, we're using Bitscap. And the type of bots we're using are called loop bots. Then once you have the coin, for example, AVAX, you also need to figure out the settings. So you're going to click on manual adjustment and you're going to figure this out, the order distance. This is crucial. You want to prepare yourself for the worst case scenario. That is, if the cryptocurrency goes down 20, 30, 40%, can you still be in a profit? That is what the order distance will help you set up. You're going to change this time frame to the daily, and you are going to increase the order distance all the way down to the most important support. That is crucial. If you don't do this, like seriously, you want to do this. I have seen clients of us not implementing this step, and when the cryptocurrency goes down, they usually are in a very ugly position. So you're going to increase this order distance maybe to 1.8%, whatever it needs to be, as long as it covers all the way down here. Maybe let's do 2.5, 2.7. All right, there we go. About 2.7 will do. Notice how we cover all the way down and all the way up. So regardless of what happens with AVAX, again, we're not trying to time the market. We're not trying to figure out if the cryptocurrency is going to go up and down. We're going to be taking advantage of this volatility that has been going on anyway. So you might as well just set up about the profits from it than to wait for the cryptocurrency to go up. So you're going to set up your investment amount. I usually recommend to start at least with 5K. So let's do 5K. And then you can click on continue and start the bot. Now, it is also crucial that you have an exit confirmation. That is the third step on the systematic approach. First, finding the cryptocurrency. Second, figuring out the settings. And third, having an exit confirmation on when to shut down your bot and secure the profits. To show you how securing the profits look like in actual account, if I go to history, you can see that in the last 24 days or so, I have secured 9,355 profits, dollars in profit. Fun enough, that is roughly how much I withdraw from my account once it hit that 10%. And you don't have to do this every 2 or 3 weeks. If you want, we have members withdrawing the profits every month or every 2 months. The important thing is that you secure the profits. That is something that almost nobody talks about because they believe that a crypto bot should just be running 24/7. And yes, the bot will be running 24/7, but crypto is a risky market. And as you can see, it can make you far more than 10%, but you need to have a way to secure that profit, which is that main reason why we have developed an exit confirmation. If you believe that you can just let a bot run forever, guess what it's going to happen? You will see your portfolio go up, you will see your portfolio go down, and it's going to go nowhere. I'm not telling you this because I believe in it. I'm telling you this because I have been deploying bots for more than 4 years. And at the beginning, I was just letting the bots trade 24/7, nothing was going on. I used to see my portfolio go up, then drop, and I was at the exact same position I was 60, 90, even 120 days before. So secure the profits and have an exit confirmation for every bot you will be setting up. So how do you secure your profits? What type of exit confirmation do you use? Well, we actually figured that out on CVA. We created our own indicator called the Smart RSI that will tell you exactly when to shut down your bot, take the profits out of the market, secure that money in your account, and then restart the bot maybe with the same funding or with more funding. That's really up to you. And as you can see, every bot that I have running has an exit confirmation assigned based on the indicator. You can see shutdown loop bot here. So, but anyway, we just started this coin called AVAX. So I'm going to show you how you can set it up. By the way, guys, if you want to have access to this Smart RSI, where it's going to tell you when to shut down your loop bot and secure the profits, whether that is 5 to 10% or even 20% in some cases, then there is also going to be a link in the description. Just click on it and then my team will give you access to the indicator. So all you have to do is go to add a custom interval, change this to hours, and interval is going to be 6 hours, and then click on add. Then you're going to click on the 3 dots here, add alert, and you're going to change this condition to shut down loop bot. and then you're going to click on create. You also might want to increase this. If you don't have open-ended alert, you can just increase it as much as you can. And then as message, you want to specify it a little bit. So you can just say shut down AVAX loop bot. On notifications, I like to keep notifying app, send email and play a sound, as well as send plain text. And then you can click on create. So once you've received the exit confirmation to shut down this loop bot, your profit will be anywhere between 5 to 10, some cases even more than 15% in actual profit, not unrealized profit. So you're going to click on the three dots. You're going to click on stop the bot, convert to USD, continue, and convert by market. That way, this number will be a positive 5, 10, 15, even 20% in a cycle of 2 to 4 weeks. And the best part is you are not taking any trade. It takes about 20 minutes to set up the bot. You let it handle every single transaction, and you know exactly when to shut down your bot, take the percentage that it made you, and reinvest it back into the same bot, which I can show you in another video if you guys want. Just comment on. So yeah, guys, this is the system that has allowed me to make more than $9,000 in net profit, or more than 10% this month in actual profit that I withdraw. So if you want me and my team to help you install, manage, and guarantee you a 5% a month, then click the first link in the description. Full transparency, guys, we will only work with members that have more than 50K, because we do work on a profit share. But if you don't have that much capital and are interested in the system where we help you set everything up and you manage it, then click the first link in the description as well, and we will talk and see how we can help you. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you guys on the next video.